Like this is like they be coming like fucking a flock of birds, nigga. You ride 8 seconds, you in 200. Nigga, that slide, boy. I always feel like I always feel like I can do that shit, bro.
What's up with it, Snell?
I'm just that fan.
What's up with it? Have you did it before?
Have I done it? I'm just here assistant. I'm just covering for the boss today.
Can you give me change for 20 for one ride?
Here you go. I'm a little nervous, so you gotta...
I need your sign right here.
Right here?
You got a sign?
D.
Hey, ride the hell out of it.
What's your name? What's your name?
My name's Duke.
Duke. Calling him D-Block, apparently.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. They always know.
$200 challenge. On camera, on all. Gonna be on YouTube. Sir, you gotta get on there and find out for yourself. Get on up there, D.
Oh, it just got a little.
Alrighty, now, young man.
Oh, that's light,
8
bro.
seconds.
I'll be
One hand only.
8 seconds.
Can't touch or grab the ball.
Oh, one
he
hand?
ain't smiling no more. You ready? All those dumb bull rules.
One hand, okay. One hand is crazy.
We got Willie. We got Willie. We got D. Oh, man, sir. That was 6.7 seconds, sir.
But only 8.
I think we got a phone somewhere Willie took. Now he'll get it on his way, sir. That's a secondary phone. I can tell what it is. Don't forget the trap phone, D. Have a good one, sir. Thank you so much. Well, I'm going to be on YouTube now.
Really ride that motherfucker. You going there, bro?
Honey, says he's got to help his friends get those seats. More teeth and gold.
All right, bro. Go ahead, bro.
All right, Davo.
Don't. Hey, it's one
8
hand,
seconds,
though.
one hand. Don't touch or grab the bull, sir. Let me get my stuff ready.
I'll be holding it with the right hand for sure.
Here we go.
Oh, yeah,
Oh, no. Davo, no. 4 seconds flat.
shit.
Hey, this shit be hard. But I wonder what's the best, like the best way to like get on that bitch. Probably from the back, huh? Probably so.
My picture got messed up. Yo, let me get the code. Get the code. Okay.
Hold on. Is that you?
Yeah, right now. Which one you looking at?
8 seconds, sir. Getting close, too close. Look at Willie shaking. Good job.
What you think, man?
Shit.
Think I should do it again, man? That's $10.
That shit's a scam, ain't gonna lie. Hey,
That shit's $10. That's $10 for that shit.
No, I ain't got it. I really want to do it. You gotta think it's a profit though. You gotta think it's a profit. I done spent 20. If I spend 30, that's a goddamn $107 profit.
Facts, and he get it, and that's all. I feel that.
Yeah.
And wait, how much seconds is 8?
Coming back on
How much seconds? Is it just, bro? 8 seconds, bro.
Yo.
8 seconds, bro. Come on, that's possible, bro. That's possible, bro. I don't give a fuck
Tell
what
me when you're
anybody
ready.
say.
Hey, just don't flip me that
You
way.
sure you're ready? Alrighty, here we go.
You better hold on to them side. You gotta hold on to the side with your shit. This thing ain't got no.
Oh man, he left you.
8 seconds, bro. This thing ain't got no.
D-Rock.
Damn, nigga lost his shoe. That's them big ass shoes, bro.
Don't forget the trap phone. I think one went that way. Don't forget the sneakers.
She said, "Don't forget the trap on." Big ass. This
He
some
wanted
big
to
ass
make
Gucci
sure the
shoes.
kicks got shown today.
God damn, what?
Fuck in the mic.
2 hands though, I get that though. Like 2 hands, I get that easy. Like she really cheated me though, like type shit. That's all. I ain't tripping. You think I'm tripping, man, on some shit like
They
that,
make it
man.
harder.
I'm tripping though. Alright. What you say, bro?
Bro, you gotta be all the girls, you gotta be all the Riz, I swear.
You ain't got no
You the
Riz,
Riz
bro.
guy, bro. Hey,
I I'm watching the first part 2 of Duke Dennis one. The one he did 1 year ago. I ain't never watched it, so.
all the girls, where it go? Hey, dude. Hey, can I get your Gmail? Can I get your Gmail?
Oh, you're checking into a hotel? Okay. Gotcha. Where you at? You out of town or something, bro? Damn, bro. Shit crazy.
What's the freakiest thing you ever did?
I ain't had. Hold on, how old you live, man?
15.
Nope. Oh no. Hey, you don't need to be talking about that type of stuff. You know what I'm saying?
15 is crazy.
Oh shit. Really quick. Oh, really quick. Alright, hold
They got YouTube on, bro. Ain't no. They got YouTube on that motherfucker.
What's up, my boy? What's up, bro? What's up? Shit. I ain't used one of these. Oh, but look though, no account, right? Look who third.
Okay.
Look who third. No account now. Yes, sir. Look who third. Hold on. But that boy Duke did it.
Yeah, they got it.
Yes, ma'am.
Family shoot. Okay. Type shit. Family shoot. That's hard. But
yeah, make sure y'all go subscribe. Don't do this,
on
man.
the fucking flip phone, bro.
Y'all are a gang of beautiful men.
Damn. That was you beautiful.
She wanna get
I
gang,
know,
bro.
but I just needed to be amongst some beautiful men.
Oh yeah.
No, for real.
Too bad you ain't looking for a boyfriend right now.
You guys
Oh, you want my?
smile.
Open up your IG. You know what? I would give you my number, but I don't give my number out like
You
that.
don't have to.
Yeah.
I don't either.
Oh yeah?
No. What's your name?
Hold on.
She gonna see that account. You can know, oh shit. Cigarette is crazy. Fact, blowing that cigarette is wild. She blowing that motherfucker.
Oh shit!
I didn't see that coming. Holy shit!
Got him. Everyone saw that I got him, right?
I was.
Come back.
And then
Where'd he go?
I'm so.
Hey man, y'all done dropped the fucking cat,
Nigga
man.
didn't drop the cat, bro. That motherfucker be laying on their feet anyway.
Yup.
That nigga do like the baby. Damn, he kinda do like that motherfucker.
Really?
I don't.
Bro, he just need to lose a little, bro. That's the baby, bro. That's the baby.
Okay, then that's a great question. You looking to get? Are you looking to get to know somebody though? Oh yeah.
Not really. I'm just chilling right now.
Ready to go home?
Ready to go home.
I like your. I mean to be leaning on you.
Right away.
I know.
She get it right away because she got heels on.
Listen, I can have your number, man.
What's your name?
803.
This point, bro. This point, that's all you need is degree, my nigga. We gotta be decent looking at this. At least decent looking, probably. Have a little game, you know what I'm saying? A little game.
Y'all know who the fuck this is?
Thanks, bro. Chill out, my nigga. He doing that shit around the hoes.
I need to drop the Hellcat.
Cut it, man. Cut this nigga, man.
Tight shit. Yo.
This white ass nigga, bro. Get your ass on this one, bro.
My boy. Hey. Tight shit.
What the fuck?
Too many fiends.
Hey, go tell my boy Big D about shit, man.
DD block. Oh, I ain't finna pull that out, but you know what's going on. Whole lot of D block.
This nigga here, bro.
The big drop.
This nigga on dick,
What's up,
bro.
buddy, man?
Hey, bro, it's crazy.
Hold on. Don't laugh at my dog, though.
I told him I'm in between phones right now.
Can we take a picture together? Yeah. Come here, man.
Hold on, what's your name?
My name Duke. What's yours? Hey, hold on. I really would get your number, but I ain't want to.
Can't have my number. I want you in jobs.
Hold on. I got 2 jobs.
I got 2 jobs too.
Yeah.
That's what I found.
You got to find this count. You chat right now, man.
Yeah, you see what's up. I'm dead ass serious. I'm a mama. I'm a daughter.
Oh, yeah? And you know, I really love this blue on you, though. Fuck you. Fuck him or fuck me?
Yeah, fuck blue.
Oh, fuck. Man.
My favorite color red.
You're also
What's up, man? Let me get your number, man. Let me get your number, man.
Oh, damn, because they've been
Let me get your number, man.
You got flip phone? I bet you dead.
Damn.
Motherfucker.
Nigga have flip on.
Some bullshit.
That's crazy.
What's up with you, son? What's up with you? How you doing?
The old man ain't doing well.
Why you say that?
Ain't good to be in the streets, man. I'm talking to the kings now.
Of course. I can't.
Me and my wife sitting right over there. I've been sitting there for the last 3 to 4 days.
Oh, yeah?
We
I got about
every damn dime we can get.
I got about 40. Hey, I got $40 for you right here, young sir.
Yes,
Hey, look, I know it
blessing.
ain't much, but hey, look, that's an investment right there.
It's a blessing.
It's an investment right there.
Wait a minute. How old do you think I am, young man?
51, 52.
Never see that again.
Huh?
I was born April 24th, 1940.
1940. God damn, you about 73.
Damn,
82.
82? Damn.
You look good as fuck, boy. You look good.
You're 90s? Don't break my shit, man. Whitney.
Boy, that's cap. Boy, you look too good to be 80-something, man.
My youngest child is 34.
Right here.
Damn.
My oldest is 50.
If you 80-something, man, I would be blessed to look like you when I get 80-something.
Yeah,
You look good, boy. I'm telling you, man, you look good.
Type shit, you know what I'm saying? Uplift the older man, you know what I'm saying?
Ghetto, like, nigga, you know what I'm saying? Like,
But yeah, that's some real
this
nigga
would be
shit.
a good advice point of view. We just chatting, man. Hell yeah, like, nigga.
My BB, yeah,
goddamn.
diamond, they shining. My bad, but my bro, they keep on popping in my head. Every time I see this nigga diamond, bro,
But she was
I ain't
just
even
on
trying to, I ain't trying to, let me go ahead. Let me get out my bad. I'm just saying, bro.
Earlier the next morning,
Song
somebody
popping in my
fell
head, bro.
asleep. Bitch! You fella.
Hey, they got the old shit playing, boy. You know what I'm saying? Hey, the old school people always coming up. Oh, yeah, she on some freak ass shit. She on some freak ass shit. She finna post it on her Instagram story. Girls, look who I saw. Look who I saw. I want you to bet she posted that shit after that. Girls, look who I saw. You know what I'm saying? Like she doing some shit. Like the nigga really gave her the time out the day for it.
A bitch, they had some bitches over here last night. The bitch done went through his phone and seen the dick pic.
Bitch was ready to stay in.
She was. hey, I can vouch for that, man. She was not trying to leave after that right there, man. And get what she told her friends, Q. Y'all can go. I got my own car.
Damn.
Yeah, she said, y'all can go. I got my own car. Whole time I'm wondering, damn, Q raising her ass up. Wrong. She seen a dick pic in this phone. That's tough.
Hey, I was reasoning though, like the whole time I'm talking to her and shit. And then she went through my phone on her own shit. So I'm like, oh well, shit, bitch. Whole time I was expecting her to see the dick pic, but I'm like, why is she goddamn going through my phone, like my messages, and then the bitch talking about, oh, you sell weed, all type of shit. I was like,
damn.
This nigga set my heart beat.
My heart, bro. This nigga, bro, hold on.
Damn, she was all in that nigga business.
Bro, this nigga said my heartbeat was going through my dick one day, so I recorded it and sent it to her. Oh my God, this nigga out here just sitting over there. Boy, do y'all know how much of a straight face this nigga just had that?
Saying that shit like that nigga that was dead ass,
No way,
bro.
boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy. What's good? Oh, shit.
Boy, ain't no way, bro. Is that what that nigga took that picture from?
Hey,
Yeah.
that nigga do got here. Hey, ain't no way, boy.
I still good? You know what, you still good too, though.
Damn, they got them, but they got them. Hell no, that shit ugly as hell, boy. They got that bitch on the challenges, on the scat, on the marrow too. Nah, the hell nah.
I ain't no young
Man, I mean, man, that's some OG shit. It's definitely some old ass niggas in the code, bro. There's some old ass niggas in the code, bro. Definitely, bro. Them niggas old. Them niggas OGs, bro. I would, them big ass rims, man.
I am a grown man, man.
Yes, you're certified.
Yes, man.
What are you looking for?
My phone. What's your name though? Mo? My name Duke.
I feel so bad. That's my nephew.
Look, I'm 28.
Oh, is he recording this? Hey.
Whatever.
Well, he get my number.
No. Hey, you know what? Y'all definitely. You know what? Really? No. I'm saying like.
You gonna let him run his wrist on my aunt? He's running his wrist on my aunt. He's running his wrist on my aunt.
On the mama? That's crazy.
Hold on.
Damn, that's the mama though?
Oh, you got an
Shit.
answer?
Shit.
No.
What?
I'm gonna test you. This is me right here. See, you hear me? This is me right here. My name Duke. Nice to meet you. Yes, ma'am. You too.
What the rest of the AMP crew at?
Oh,
Touch on the stomach is that's the ultimate sign, bro.
my God. What's your name?
Oh my God,
My name Duke.
oh my God, your kids are free. I'm Victoria.
Victoria.
Yeah.
Okay, y'all from out here though?
No, we from Virginia.
And y'all drove all what, about 6 hours?
4.
Damn, I heard 6 the other day, man.
6, well, it depends on what part. I'm from Southern Virginia.
Oh yeah?
So that actually, yeah.
Okay.
Unless you got 6.
Bro, I bet these, bro. I bet look at these niggas. They probably like, damn, this nigga got motion, bro. All these bitches come take pictures. Look how they looking, bro. This old head recording this shit. Why the fuck he recording?
Get your number or something, man, with this right here, right here.
Boy, what?
Oh, what? You gonna?
I ain't
I'm
worried.
sorry.
I don't care.
Yeah.
Is that
Okay.
so?
I don't care.
Yeah.
It doesn't
Okay.
matter to me. Dude, that's not your fault. That's not your fault. You shouldn't even light them when you flip it.
You're just typing in randomly.
I know my number by heart.
Did the flip phone really work? That's not even, see.
Oh no. See, that's my. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no. I was just making sure.
I'm about to say they
because
She
I
think
pulled
she because he actually gave her a number. She think she's special. Look at
Yep.
her.
My brother, Bert, he is. My brother.
That's why I was there this morning. Hey, nice to meet y'all, man. Y'all have a good night.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, ma'am. You have a great night too. Yes, ma'am. Yep. See, I told you.
See, oh my
It
God.
definitely was gonna work, man. See, hey, it was dead at first, and I was like, hey, shit, it gonna work, so this still counts.
Oh shit.
Motherfucking bullshit. You hear me? No, we
Damn,
not.
she
I'm
back
from
with
Raleigh,
another
bro.
picture, bro.
Fuck Raleigh, nigga. We from the Bull City, down North Carolina. You hear me? No cap.
Well, that's a hard shirt right there, my brother. Shirt. This nigga got a Akatsuki collared shirt on. That motherfucker hard, man.
I'm so fucking good.
Yeah, I ain't nobody. I just bought the camera. That was good.
Oh, he's somebody. I don't know who is everybody. You got a phone out there. I don't know you, but I want to be like.
Yeah, nah, I just bought the camera because I know
Okay, so you do
motherfuckers like the
YouTube.
camera.
What kind of like videos you do?
She
I
don't
just
know, but
started,
she gonna
like,
start
bad
screaming
money.
and
What you
shit.
do though? Like them videos, they be like, hey, you cheating on your man?
No. I just be doing random shit.
Oh, like what though?
Whatever I want to do.
Well, fuck it, you tell me.
Like if I want to go ride a horse or some shit, then
Well,
I'll
let's
do
go
that.
ride a horse.
Where you from though? Shit, I ain't never been to Virginia.
Okay, put my snap in. Put that on the YouTube.
I don't got Snap. I stopped using that shit.
What the fuck you
Snap
got there?
ass, bro.
You finna hit me with them.
You right here.
I know you ain't gonna do me like that.
I know you ain't gonna do me like that.
Alright, fuck this shit. Let me see.
Dude, I want to talk about little person.
I don't know. Shit, let me see. I'm being real. I ain't want you for the cloud. I want to know who you is. I want to know your
And
video.
I'm trying to get to
Alright, come on. Let me see the track. Fuck it.
Yeah, what's your... I'll get it after.
These hoes,
Oh, real tight. Okay.
Lord, bro. Like this is like they be coming like fucking a flock of birds, nigga. Like a flock of birds, bro. Like they just gathering. They see one. Oh, let me get one too.
What's your name?
Oh, here's another motherfucker. Damn, that booty sitting right on that motorcycle, boy. You see her with that on that motorcycle, boy? Goddamn. Goddamn. Shit.
Columbia. I'm from Greenville, man. I fuck with your hair, man. I've been trying to find
Like everybody in that, whatever they had, everybody got a nice head quality. Shit, boy, I see all kind of shit.
Where the fuck the nigga at, man?
Damn. Everybody knows
So why
that.
you come up to me on it? Know what I'm saying?
I just wanted to.
Oh yeah, man.
He try to come back, try to test his grills. Cause ain't no way out with some fake grills.
I wouldn't let her talk to you like that, y'all. Me personally, no, I'm talking to my dog. Me personally, I won't let nobody talk to me like that. I'm just saying, me personally, I won't let shit like that go down. But then again, like, that ain't me, and that ain't none of my business, really.
Got me running down the fucking beach. Wait, no motherfucker. Let's take a picture. Let's take a picture though. All right, come on.
Yes,
No, No cap, I'm over here sweating and shit. Looking for you.
Look at her nigga. Look at her nigga just. He just waiting on her to just move out. Just go ahead and walk.
North Carolina.
Boy, ain't no way. Nah, that's crazy.
Big dog shit. Big dog shit. Hey, you ain't want to tell him.
Get him.
Motherfucker.
Stop motherfucking playing with me. Stop motherfucking.
Wherever North Carolina, wherever you from, I want to be from the same motherfucking place, man.
You do?
I want to be from the same.
You do? Give me a hug. That's my nigga right here. Come take him from me. Come take him from me.
Hey, you know what? You know what?
Come take him from me.
You know what?
Come take him from me.
We together from here on out.
Yeah, we together.
Yep.
Come take him from me.
What's his name?
Come take him from me. Come take him from me.
She gonna say that while her nigga right there is crazy.
May 28th.
Saying that while her nigga right there is crazy.
Boy, ain't no motherfucking way.
She want that nigga meat, bro. She want that nigga meat off the bone, nigga. It's like she.
I told these hoes that's my nigga. He said when our anniversary. That's today. Yeah.
They go. What they be saying? Wavo. Why they call him Wavo?
Man, listen, everybody be like, what the fuck do care? I'm like, that nigga do it.
I like the your performance. I love it. Yeah, I'm locked in, brother. Yo.
Damn.
I ain't gonna lie.
Okay,
I ain't gonna let that motherfucker move. I ain't gonna lie. That motherfucker moving, I swear to God.
That motherfucker moving on God. These hoes are big. Boy, this how it's gonna be, my nigga, in the future. This how it's gonna be. This is what we looking at in the future, bro. This how it's gonna be, gang. This how it's gonna be, gang.
Hey, fellas, look, I swear to God.
Just like wearing them for fit. Okay, that's
hey, she got no drawers on. I can feel it.
Like my shit'll be whammo, you know what I'm saying? Whammo 5. Whammo 5. I ain't gonna care. Whammo little 5.
I ain't gonna lie, I've been doing the same motherfucking thing all day.
Hold on, what we on YouTube? What we talking about?
I don't know what the fuck you talking about.
Damn, I ain't got no diamonds and shit like he do. Damn, what we on YouTube?
This how it's gonna be for us, gang. This shit gonna be hard. I ain't gonna. This shit gonna be fine. These niggas, man.
Hey, shout out Big 25, man. Yeah, we out this bitch with goddamn Duke, man. We better turn up on this trip.
Hey, I do got something.
I'm telling you. Hey, listen. Since the governor of Florida is my daddy, I'm putting it up on camera. Come here. All right. Hey, look. Free gas card whenever you go to Florida. All right? What's your name? John. John? Hey, congratulations. Free gas card.
I can't run across the shit. I'm over there. I saw that. He got us from here. Bye. I'm sorry I went right now.
They all be saying this thing.
You already know I was coming for. Thank you. I know I look bad right now, but one day we're gonna get married. I promise. I promise you. I promise you. I like you so much. Like so much. Like you're really my wallpaper. It's so
She love. Damn, she grilled. She gleed out. What? She grew? Boy, she got the grills in her shit, bro. Damn, it's over, gang. It's over, gang. That nigga. Damn. Hey, females. Hey, in this situation, bro, you a nigga trying to get a picture, bro, you better hope that he alone, my nigga, cause they gonna overflood. Look, but with the way now, he trying to get a picture. He'll finna get a picture. Boom, they got attention. 2 bad bitches got his attention first. It's they bet 3 bad bitches. Hey, oh well, my nigga, I was boom, bop. Hey, I would did the same thing, nigga. Yeah, boy. That boy getting too much bitches. I ain't got no time to take a little picture with no niggas right now. You know what I'm saying?
But hey, appreciate y'all. Yeah, I want you to too, though.
Y'all ready?
Alright, so he got his picture though.
No problem, man. Nice to meet you, Miss Deborah. Yes, ma'am.
All right.
I'll get you first and then back.
Hit me up.
Hit you up on Facebook, Deborah B. Jones. I got Facebook, so I'm gonna hit you up. Okay.
Whoa, hey, the grandma trying to get some meat. Nah.
My bad, I was bored. Alright, man. Not bad, man.
That shit make me.
This shit right here is gonna be a bang. Hey, now you get that jersey hard as fuck. Yeah. Are we right here?
Appreciate that, bro.
You trying to 1v1? Hell nah.
Why not?
That shit more.
Hey, man, I done seen you hit the flip before. I see you tomorrow. We gonna hit one of them.
Oh, yeah? I ain't even
Type
gonna be
shit.
here. So hold on, you can bet?
Shit, would, bro. Shit, would.
You got a slide right now.
I'll take the slides up in the sauce right now.
Bro, I can't dance, bro. I'm gonna do like, we gonna have to do like, eventually, bro, we gonna have to, I don't know, I might do this shit this time.
Yeah,
I gotta learn how to do the Dougie, bro. I can't do it, bro. You know what I'm saying? We gotta get like 5 minutes per, you know what I'm saying, per stream, at least 5 minute time, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna learn how to do the Dougie eventually, bro. Like, eventually, bro. Yeah, it's gonna, I'm too stiff, my nigga.
I don't give a fuck.
I promise you. Nah, facts. Why the fuck he got a hat on? This nigga Edge crispy as fuck.
Hey, what's
up?
Do that shit.
You said what? Yeah, let's see this shit, bro. It's always that one nigga try to one-up a nigga in front of some bitches, bro. It's always that one nigga. Come on, you better do some crazy shit too, nigga. Come on, bro. You better do some crazy ass shit. You finna do a running back. Oh.
What is that, boy?
What the fuck? What the
Yes,
fuck?
it is.
Nigga did that, man.
No, that's an 0100.
Man.
What the fuck you was talking about, though? But it's a 24-hour clock.
You said, wait, grandma kid. Whoa, whoa, hey, that's crazy. It's crazy, man. That's crazy. Grandma get it. That's crazy. No, I said I gotta learn how to Dougie, bro.
Oh, yeah?
I gotta learn how to do Dougie, bro. I can't dance. But shit, my nigga, I can't dance.
I ain't gonna count. Everything that y'all just seen is for entertainment purposes
Only.